Hello everyone, the students of class 10th. This is our 6th lecture. So, as you all know that there was a homework and it was the objective questions. I had given you the questions and you will have to answer. So now match your answers with the answers which I am going to tell you. So let's start. The chapter was A Letter to God by G.L. Funds. So who is the writer of A Letter to God? G.L. Funds. What was the name of the farmer? Lanco. Where was Lanco's house? Answer is at the crest of a low hill. Lanco का घर कहाँ था? Low hill के ऊपर. For which thing Lanco was waiting? किस चीज के लिए लैंको इंतजार कर रहा था? A downpour or at least a shower, बारिश का इंतजार कर रहा था. Now we are really going to get some water woman. Who is this woman here? यहाँ पे औरत कौन है? Lanco's wife. Answer is Lanco's wife. What was Lanco's wife doing? Lanco की पत्नी क्या कर रही थी? She was preparing supper. She was preparing supper. Supper means शाम का भोजन होता है. What were the old boys doing? मतलब older boys क्या कर रहे थे? बड़े बच्चे क्या कर रहे थे? They were working in the field. What were the smaller children doing? They were playing near the house. खेल रहे थे वो लोग. What were resembling the big drops and the little drops of rain? क्या एक जैसा दिख रहा था छोटे और बड़ा बूंद? तो बड़ा बूंद जो है ना दिख रहा था big drops as 10 cent pieces and small drops as 5 cent pieces. Next question. Who destroyed Lanco's field? The answer is strong wind and large hailstorm. Next question. Why did Lanco's children expose themselves to the rain? To collect the frozen pearls. Next question. What was the single hope of Lanco after the destruction of his cornfields? The answer is the hope of God. To whom did Lanco write letter? Answer is to God. What was his demand? Answer is 100 pesos. Who sent money to Lanco? Answer is post office employees. Next question. How many pesos were in the envelope? The answer is 70 pesos. These were the questions and I told you the answer, so try to collect it in your notebook. Now it is the time for the next chapter. In 10th class there are two books. One is Footprints Without Feet and another is The First Flight. Today I am going to start the story of The Footprints Without Feet, and the chapter name is Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. Today I will explain the summary of this chapter, and in next class we will try to explain line by line. So now listen carefully. Triumph of Surgery. In this story the writer is also here, James Herriot is also here, and another woman whose name is Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey is also here, the character Mrs. Pumphrey. And the name, there is a dog whose name is Tricky. So this story is about that Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey had that girl, that dog, and she is very fond of that dog. She loves too much. So she used to feed that dog very much. That is why the dog has become a lazy type of dog, and he is ill also. He is unable to walk. He has become fat. James Herriot had already informed her, warned her not to feed that dog too much. But due to her inside love for that dog, she used to give all the things which she used to eat. That is why that dog has become now very dull and ill also. Then Mrs. Pumphrey calls that James Harriot and tells him that please take my dog, please see my dog, this is very ill. James Harriot comes and he takes away that dog to his hospital. Mr. James Harriot was already known that there is no any problem to this dog. The problem is only the overfeeding. So he took that dog there and let that dog for 2 days remain without food. Only he gave water to drink. In this way, after 2 days, that dog started showing some interest in food, and then he gave that food. And among other dogs, he started living like a dog, like a natural, in his natural habitat. He started living like a dog and he became very well. But Mr. Harriot did not allow that lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, to take that dog home, and took there that dog for 15 days. And in that days, Mrs. Pumphrey used to send some eggs, some wines also for the dog. But the writer's employees used to take all those things and didn't give anything to that dog. That dog was very happy with his only meal which he used to, with the other dogs used to eat. So in this way, that dog becomes well, and Mrs. Harriot comes and took him away from there. This is the story, and the very insight, the very love of that woman is also shown here. So it will be revealed by the line description of the chapter. So now that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.